Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. My phone just did something really weird. Anyway, today I'm here at Peterborough on the East Coast Main Line, where you'll be seeing services from cross country. Great services, or at least this one. This might be the only one, I've got no idea. LNER, possibly Lumo, possibly East Midlands Railway. I'll obviously have to check though. But yeah, enjoy the video. Stopping again.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 1016. We are sorted. See it, say it, sorted.
Anyway, also going out there is 17637. It's Cambridge from Birmingham New Street. Birmingham? Right, yeah. There's that one. I would record it, but it's 66 and loads of freight wagons have got in the way. So yeah. Anyway, yeah. I don't know if this is going or not, or if it's just stopping again. I'm confused as to what this guy's doing. I'll take it you're stopping.
4 from the 126.
Train doors may be closed and locked up to 1 minute before the departure time of the train.
There's that one going to somewhere.
To ensure your safety,
Very weird.
And a prompt departure from
How it
this station.
stopped and then went and then stopped.
So go to turn the main light on. It took you 2 or 3 seconds. Nothing drivers what I do. That's what I do. That's what all I do. No.
Starting at the, we've got 801 225, not 800 225, 801 225 going out to Edinburgh. Next up for this one is Newark Northgate. There it goes, North Two-Tone.
You get off Haymarket.
Yeah,
Start walking down the hill through the city centre.
there's that one.
This is one of the chain shops.
Now going out over there, we've got a beautiful 158. I don't really know where that's going, but it could be going to Peterborough sidings and then coming back here, but I don't really know. Also, over there serves 2 Horsham from here, and 66 passing, eh? Another one. an 800-1, I think, going out there. Unless it wasn't, unless it was a -4, but or -2 or whatever it is. I don't know. Yeah, there was that one. Yeah, 66017. I literally don't know where this is going. I think there's going to be a staff changeover. It's going out there. We've got 66017. Anyway, there's that one. Apart from there, we've got a 180. I don't know what the number was, but it was probably going from Sunderland to London King's Cross. No. London King's Cross to Sunderland. I think. Yeah, there's that one. I don't really know what I'm recording. Is it back there? No. I don't really know where it went.
First class accommodation can be found in zones 1, 2, 3. Standard class in zones 4, 2, 9, 2.
Now arriving, we've got 801-229. Going to London King's Cross, calling Stevenage and London King's Cross. Yeah, there's that one. This one, not that one, this one. Yeah, there it is. At a passing, we've got 801-229. I think. Is it 801-229 or 800-229? I think it's 801. Yeah, 801-229. We saw 225 before, yeah. Yeah, there's that one. Oh yeah, there's that one. No passing. No passing, we've got an 803, which I just literally checked, but I didn't get to see the number on it. But yeah, I thought 1535 was like, but yeah, there's that one going out to Edinburgh from London King's Cross. 800 113 going up there to London King's Cross. Another Grand Central. I think that's from King's Cross to a depot, but yeah. Yeah, there's that one.
Oh, it's so nice.
I don't know where this is from, but yeah, it's coming in now from somewhere. It's going to Norwich.
Work is taking place which will affect services to and from London King's Cross from 8 p.m. on Saturday,
Oh, well,
the
and that
26th
says
of August until 8
Terminal
a.m. on Monday,
in from
20th
Ipswich.
of
It's
August.
755 338. Start the flirts. At the bottom we have 158889 to Norwich. Oh god, there's something arriving now, and I think the 91 is it? No, is it just passing 800? Yeah, just passing 800. Nothing too major. Yeah. It's on 203 to Edinburgh. 158857 from somewhere. But yeah, there's that one. Alright, we have 91 111 to Leeds from London King's Cross. I'm gonna have to run to the end now. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Now going got I'm still going to the end of this platform. And then we've got 11111 for Fulham, which was nice to see. 2 Leeds from London King's Cross, Newark, Northgate, Wakefield, Kirkgate, and Leeds, I think. It's one of the stations in Wakefield, I don't know which one it is. Passing now we have 17622, but I don't know where it's going. But yeah, there it goes anyway. Oh, it's the 66.
Platform 4 of the 1558 LNER Azuma service to York.
That's not
Call
out.
it Grantham, Newark Northgate, Retford, Doncaster and York. This train has 9 coaches. First class accommodation can be found in zones 7 to 9. Standard class in zones 1 to 6.
66724 now arriving in. Or passing. I don't know what it's doing. I don't know what that 158 over there is doing. It's just a bit out of place, sort of. Now arriving on, is it this platform? Yes. 801207 to York from King's Cross. Yeah, there's that one. There's that one somewhere. Well, now going out we have 801207 to York. Pulling at Grantham, Newark, Northgate and York, I think. Oh yeah, there's that one there.
The train now approaching platform 3 is not stopped here.
That's platform 3 there.
Well clear of the edge. Platform 3.
Little two-tone. $800 at 104. Going out there. No, 801104. Going out there. So yeah. That was cool. Little two-tone. Now arriving we have 170-101. From Birmingham New Street to Stansted Airport. No. Is this one? There's that one from I think it's 800 on something. and it's to Middlesbrough from King's Cross. At the bottom we have 801, 101 and 112 to King's Cross. I think this one is from Edinburgh. Oh, Thameslink one's arrived from Horsham now. Didn't know that happened.
1618 LNER Azuma service to Glasgow Central via
Yep.
Edinburgh, calling at Newark North, Newcastle, Alnmouth, Edinburgh, Haymarket, Motherwell and Glasgow Central. This
Alright,
train
we have-
has 9 coaches. First class accommodation can be found in zones 7 to 9. Standard class in zones 1 to 6.
801 224 with a little tone, which is nice. Anyway, this is the 1618 to Glasgow Central. That's where I'll end this video off today. If you'd like to, remember to like and subscribe. Wait, no, I forgot to say thank you for it. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, remember to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Got a little carriage. Yeah. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and goodbye.